Hey guys, in this video we're going to see what does this red box with a line through means on your Apple Watch. Now you can see here at the moment it shows this rectangle with a line through. This just simply means your watch is not connected to your iPhone or not connected to a Wi-Fi router, and it is not online, and hence you are seeing this red symbol. To simply remove it, make sure that you connect to your iPhone. So perhaps your iPhone is switched off. You can try to switch on your iPhone, or you can check to make sure that you are within the range. So if you are too far away from your iPhone, the signal is weak, it can show this red icon at the top here. So make sure that you are within range of the iPhone. Make sure it is turned on. You can see as soon as I turn on my iPhone, the red symbols goes away. Now another things that you might want to check is to swipe up from your watch face and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can go into settings, press on the crown button to go to your app screen, and then tap on settings. In settings, go down and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Check, make sure Bluetooth is switched on. If Bluetooth is switched off, it may not be able to connect to your iPhone. So in that case, you will see the disconnected symbol, which is a red box with a line through. Now another thing that you can do is try to restart your Apple Watch. So you can press and hold on the side button, then power off, and then switch it back on. So restart your Apple Watch and also restart your iPhone. So make sure you restart both devices, your Apple Watch and iPhone, and after that double check to make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on. Double check to make sure airplane mode is not on. If airplane mode is on, it will disconnect all the connections between your iPhone and your Apple Watch, and hence you may see a red box. And after you try all of them, it should goes away, and you should be able to see a green box in your Apple Watch right here. There should be a green box instead of a red box. And if it does not work, then you simply need to reset your Apple Watch and reconnect or pair with your iPhone again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.